Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to share my setup for the week of May 13th through the 19th. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner. Looks like this on the cover, looks like this. And in a very coordinated effort with this cover actually. This week I'm using this kit called Pink Flowers, also from B&R Paper Crafts. This is a matte vinyl kit. This is the ultimate kit. So the first page is full boxes. Sorry for my cats in the background. Then I have bottom washi and date covers, functional boxes, more functional boxes, other kinds of functional things, more boxes, bunch of icons, weekend banner, more functional stuff, headers, and even more boxes. These used to be washi strips, they're now boxes. So this is like an obscene amount of stuff. I'm definitely going to have enough to get at least 2 weeks out of this ultimately. But for the purposes of this setup, I'm gonna put down the bottom washi and I'm gonna put down the date covers. And there's the date dots. Do I want to add the weekend banner? I think I'm gonna skip the weekend banner on this one. And then I am gonna stick down I think I'm gonna stick down the headers. It comes with 7 headers. So I only need 3 of these. So I think I wanna skip, I think I'm gonna skip the peach one, and I will do the peachiest stuff for the most part in some sort of future setup. We'll see how that goes. Moving some things out of the way that I don't need. Pulling out my Beauty 360 pointy tweezers. These came from CVS. And then I think the only thing I need to write in, excuse me, I did pull out the Tombow 473. I'm just gonna write in May up here so that we know what month it is. Okay, so I'm gonna do all that stuff and then I will be back so that we can do the interesting bits. All right, here's where we stand right now. I think it's looking pretty good. Very smooth. I love the vinyl. Okay, so up first to figure out, I've got 4 full boxes here, plus 9 there, plus 4 more there. Okay, so I've got 13 full boxes, and I only need 8 of them. Nope, I lied. I've got 17 full boxes, and I only need 8 of them. So tons of full boxes. So I'm going to skip this one, and this one, and this one, because they seem by far the most peachy, as it were. I also think I'm going to skip this one because it matches the bottom washi, and I don't think I want to deal with that. So that narrows it down a little bit. Okay, now that I've said like a lot of things that I may or may not remember, I am going to start pairing a few that I kind of want to go together, I think. Oops, these are slightly off center, but I think it'll still be fine. So I'm going to follow the darkest pink header. And hopefully this is all going to work out. So that's that. There we go. There's slight gaps, but I think that's gonna look fine. And then I think I want this one up here. I had to guess where the top headers went, so there's not as much of a gap up there, but I think that's fine. And then this one goes down here. Okay. So with all of those picked, I need to get 3 more in here plus the sidebar. I think I'm gonna make this one my middle box. This is the one that matches the front cover of my planner, for those of you who are curious. Lining up in this center area on this one is so hard. Okay, here we go. And then, let's see. I think I'll use this one as my quote box. Sorry if you can hear my cat being crazy. He's trying to help. I think I'm gonna use this one and then this one. I think I'm gonna use them in this order. That one there, and then this one. If I could get it to lay down straight, that would be super. All right, there we go. Perfect, got them all laid out. So that part is good to go. Moving on to the sidebar. I do need this guy and this guy. I think that covers. Hope I might need those guys. Okay, starting out at the very top with the This Week header. There we go. And then following that up with the 2 habit trackers. Here's one. If I could get it to lay down, that would be great. There we go. Here's the second one. There we go. If I pull in these little icon guys, I do have, if I could get them to pick up, this guy for the little Instagram. And then my second one, I think I want to track like workout. Let's use this little shoe. Okay, that's very cute. That'll work. So there's that. And then, oh, that header comes next. I feel like I need to divide in some way. I don't have any bills due during the week. I don't have any appointments. I just want something to kind of divide it up a little bit before I put in the header, etc. What if I take maybe this guy? All right. Stick in this light pink guy. Then I need a header. This one says meals. And then I need the weekly box. I think everything is like 5 degrees crooked. But at this point, I'm not going to be able to fix that. Okay. So there's that. And then there's still space down here, but not enough for this little box. And I don't want to rework all of the boxes to make it fit. That's like kind of a lot of work. What if I use this one? There we go. I think that's good enough. We're gonna call that good enough. There's a sidebar. I think that's done. All right. Moving on to the daily stuff where the bulk of all of this happens. I'm going to start out with, I think, these very skinny strips. I'm going to use them to mark work. There we go. And then this one. On Tuesday. And then this one. Oops, I don't want that one on Wednesday. Doesn't really matter if it matches all along this column. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna pull one of the ones for Thursday already, and then there. Now I have ones for Thursday and Friday. Okay, other things that I need to pull for the start of the week. I would like to pull out one of these little things. I think I'll use this one. Like so. And then I have a little planner for my plan with me. Tuesday, I've got nothing scheduled as of right now. Same with Wednesday. And then moving on to the second half of the week, I'm gonna stick in my skinny strips for marking work. And then I need one of these guys. I'll use a peach one. Sure, why not? There we go. And then I'm going to use the little video icon for whatever video is going up that day. And then the weekend, I really don't know what's going on. So obviously, I have a ton left. I have more full boxes and washi. Probably not using any of those. I have the full boxes there that I'm not going to use, but icons I'll use. All these boxes. Might use these skinny boxes. We'll see. More functional stuff and even more boxes. So I've got tons of stuff to use during the week. And this is kind of what the pre-plan is looking like right now. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. Okay, here is the finished spread. I think it turned out so cute. I love how the matte vinyl feels. So it also feels really nice. This week, I really predominantly focused on the kit because it is so massive. I obviously still have a ton left that I will use for another weekly spread, probably in next year's planner. So I'm going to set that to the side and put that into my stash again. The only things I pulled in that were not from that kit from B&R Paper Crafts was the pen here to write May, which was a Tombow dual brush pen. And then this little baseball guy, which I know the blue kind of stands out, but I thought it was so cute. We at the last minute decided to go watch a minor league baseball game in our town. So I pulled this one from Creative Cavern Studio, but everything else is from the kit, and I think it turned out really nice. We had a busy but really good weekend and got a lot done during the week as well. So I think that's all I have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below, or sticking with the floral theme we seem to be doing for May. Leave me some sort of flower emoji. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shop, show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye. Bye.